Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Nodejs Stripe. Today we are going to learn about how to retrieve all the payment methods, all the cards that we have into our customer. Using the Nodejs, we are going to fetch all these cards. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that we have the three payment methods, that's Visa, MasterCard and these different cards. So we are going to fetch all of these. So let's get started. So here we have the list of payment methods. So there is a method to retrieve all the payment methods over here. So that is list payment methods. Okay, so here we have a list payment methods. So payment methods list, customer ID you need to pass, and the type is you can specify the other types like card, bank account. So I want to retrieve cards only. Okay, so let's hit this API and check all the card details we have or not. So let's go and just add it over here and this get API sent. So here we retrieve all the cards. So here we have the details of that one. So first we have the Visa. Okay, so we have the Visa part. Then we have the next one card that we have the payment method is this. We have the MasterCard, same. So here you can see that the second card is MasterCard. Okay, and the last one is the Visa. So here we have the last one is the Visa card, and here the last four digit is 11. Okay, so whenever we can also show like this, like you want to pay with this or not. So you can also use that one. So to retrieve the existing payment methods of the existing customer, you can do like this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.